Hey everyone, if you are urban dwellers, urban gardeners, apartment dwellers, or anyone working with limited space, this is for you. Today, we're going to explore fun and practical ways to grow tomatoes in little space. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a windowsill, or just a corner of your backyard, you can still grow fresh, delicious tomatoes. Please subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. Let's dig in. First, why should we even bother growing tomatoes in tight spaces? Well, health and nutrition are a big reason. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins A and C and antioxidants like lycopene. Plus, it's cost-effective. Growing your own tomatoes saves money and cuts grocery bills. There's also sustainability. It reduces food miles and environmental impact. And, yes, satisfaction. Nothing beats the taste of a sun-ripened tomato you grew yourself, even in a pot on your balcony. Finally, you can meet the family's need for fresh tomatoes every day. Now let's look at the top ways to grow tomatoes when space is limited, and why these methods work. Number 1, vertical gardening. This method involves growing your tomato plants upward using stakes, cages, or trellises. It's perfect for indeterminate varieties which keep growing and producing over time. Why it works? It saves floor space by growing up, not out. It also improves air circulation, which helps prevent diseases and makes harvesting and pruning easier. How to do it? Use a sturdy trellis or cage, and as the plant grows, tie the main stem gently to the support. If you're limited to a small garden bed or even a large pot, this is your go-to method. Next is container gardening, one of the most flexible and popular methods. You can grow tomatoes in pots, buckets, or fabric grow bags on patios, balconies, or even rooftops. Why it works? You control the soil quality and moisture levels, and it's mobile. You can move your plant to catch more sun or avoid storms. It's great for determinate varieties, which are compact and bushy. How to do it? Use a container at least 5 gallons in size, make sure it has drainage holes, and use high-quality potting mix and feed regularly. Perfect for apartment dwellers or renters who want a portable garden. Third method, hanging baskets. Yes, tomatoes can hang too. This method is great for cherry or dwarf tomato varieties and uses vertical airspace efficiently. Why it works? It keeps plants off the ground, reducing pests and soil-borne diseases. No bending, easy access for watering and picking. Decorative and functional, especially on balconies or porches. How to do it? Use a sturdy hook and a strong basket or container. Fill with lightweight potting soil. Choose small, fast-growing tomato types. There's even the upside-down method, where the plant grows down through a hole in the bottom. It looks fun and saves space. Method 4, hydroponics. Growing tomatoes without soil. This is ideal for indoor growing or controlled environments like balconies or kitchen corners with good lighting. Why it works? It requires less space than traditional soil beds, uses up to 90% less water, gives fast, consistent growth when nutrients are well managed. How to do it? Start with a simple hydroponic system, like cracky or deep water culture. Use a nutrient-rich water solution. Grow under natural sun or LED grow lights. If you're techie or want to garden indoors, this is an exciting option. Number 5, square foot gardening, a super organized way to maximize space. You use a raised bed, usually 4 by 4 feet, divided into 1-foot squares. 1 tomato plant per corner square, plus room for herbs or companion plants in other squares. Why it works? Efficient space use, helps plan and rotate crops easily, great for families or schools. How to do it? Build or buy a raised bed, fill with rich, loose soil, add a trellis to one side for vertical growth. This method combines beauty, order, and productivity. Quick tip. When growing in small spaces, the variety of tomato really matters. Go for determinate or bush varieties, compact and don't sprawl. Examples, Roma, Patio Princess, Tiny Tim, Bush Early Girl. Indeterminate only if you can train them vertically. Choosing the right variety makes everything easier and more productive. So to wrap up, you don't need a backyard to enjoy homegrown tomatoes. Whether it's a pot on your balcony, a basket by your window, or a hydroponic setup in your kitchen, you can grow tomatoes anywhere. Start small, try one method, and enjoy the journey of growing your own fresh food, even in limited space. Thank you for watching and happy growing. Please like and subscribe.